Hello everyone, what's up? Today in this video we are going to explore the Listview widget of Dart. We are going to see the default constructor and some of the name constructor of the Listview widget. So let's get started. First of all, import the material.dart package. This will provide us the material design kind of stuff. And then the void main is the entry point of our Flutter app. And here we are going to use run app method. Inside this we have to pass a widget. Now let's use the material app widget, and here we can use some property like title, app title as a body, as a home. Let's use the scaffold widget, scaffold, app bar. I have explained all these in my previous videos. Now as a body of our now comes the new thing, which is the list view. As a body of our scaffold widget, we are going to use the list view. Okay, so let's create a stateless class here. Stateless class my list view. Okay, now return the list view here. Okay, so what is this list view? My list view. Okay, so if you are from Android background, you can compare this with this scroll view. Inside this list view we can put widgets one after another as per our wish, and that will be scrollable. Okay, so now let's create some children inside this list view. Let's use a text widget for now. Text widget, first item, and like this one, another text widget, second item. Okay, so you can use any other widget as per your wish. You can use image widgets or any other widget, okay, as per your wish, and those widgets will be scrollable. Here's the result: first item, second item. Now let's see another example, another constructor of Listview widget. Let's see my list view builder, that is the listview.builder. Listview.builder. Okay, this one is like a recycler view, kind of recycler view. You can compare it with the recycler view. Here you have to define the list view item, and that item is going to repeat again and again. Okay, now this is the listview.builder, and first of all we have to provide the data set. Let's use a list of countries. Okay, a list of strings. Okay, this is our data set. So inside this we have to use a property which is item count. Inside this item count we have to mention the length of the list. This now list.length, and the second property is the item builder, and this takes a lambda function here. The first parameter of the lambda function is the build context, and the second one is the position of the list view. Okay, and then now you have to define the look of your list view item. Now let's define it. Return now I'm going to use another widget which is list style. Inside this list style, here is a property which is leading. As a leading property, we are going to use the circle elevator, and as a child of a circle elevator, let's use a text widget. And inside this, I want to display the first character of the strings. So let's do it. List at position dot substring starting with 0 and index 1. Okay, so this is, for now, this is the list item, and inside this we are displaying a text widget inside a circle elevator widget. So let's see the result. My list view builder, call it here my list view builder. Here it is. The first character of the strings are being displayed here. Okay, now here is another property in the list type which is title. As a title, let's use the strings list and this position. Okay, see the result. Here it is. Now let me duplicate this. Okay, this is our list view dot builder. Now let me use a random color. Let me create a string of colors, a list of colors. I'm picking some random color here. Okay, some random colors, and randomly this background color is going to pick a color from this color list. Let's do it. There is a property inside circle elevator which is background color, and let's pick a random color from colors list. For this, I'm going to use the random class. I have to import the dark math library for generating a random integer, random.nextInt, and the range is the length of the list, colors list. This will generate a random number, and the range is the list is the length of this colors list. Now let's see the result. So this is our list view dot builder. Okay, now let's see some other properties of this list view dot builder. Right now this is scrollable. We can make it unscrollable by using physics never scrollable scroll physics. Now this list view is going to be unscrollable. See, this is unscrollable. Now let's see another property which is bouncing scroll physics. What is this? See the result. This time at the end of the list you are going to see a bouncing effect of the list. Okay, this is some effect. Okay, so we have seen two constructor of list view widget. Now let's see another constructor which is list view separator. My list view separate. listview.separated. So this is also like the listview.builder, but here you have to use a special property which is separator builder. So this listview.separated is like we're gonna create a separator of this list view items. So let's see. Let's first create the data source. I am copying this one. Okay, just like the listview.builder, we have to use this item count property, list.length, and item builder. As item builder, we are going to use an anonymous function. First parameter is the context, build context, and the second parameter is the position of the list view item. Let's just display the string with the list style widget. List style title. As a title, I am going to display the strings like list at this position. Okay, list item of this position. Okay, so this is now just like the listview.builder. Now we have to use the separator builder, and this is going to take an anonymous function, and just like the previous one, item builder, we have to use the first parameter as the build context, and the second parameter is the position. And for now, just use a container as the separator of our list items. So return a container and mention a color here, color star. Let's use this purple color. The height of the container 0.9. okay, now let's use it. My list view separated. Okay, now let's use this. Here it is. The list items are separated. Okay, so we have seen so far the three constructors. There is also another constructor of listview widget, which is listview.customs. As the name mentioned, you can use custom list view with that one, but we can do pretty much everything with this with these three constructors I have shown. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.